Have you ever looked at someone you love and felt like they've become a stranger? Like one moment you shared everything, dreams, laughs, secrets, and now there's silence, distance, pain. But here's the truth. Broken doesn't mean destroyed. Let's talk about how to fix what feels impossible to repair. 1. Reflect before reaching out, before you send that long message or make that emotional call. Pause. Ask yourself, why did things break? What part did you play? Because healing starts with honesty, especially with yourself. 2. Choose vulnerability, not ego. Most relationships stay broken not because of the mistake, but because of pride. Say this out loud. I miss you. I'm sorry. I want to fix this. These 3 lines can melt years of ice between 2 hearts. 3. Listen without interrupting. When they speak, don't defend, just listen. Sometimes the healing they need is simply being heard. No judgment, no rebuttal. Just your presence. 4. Acknowledge the hurt, don't dismiss it. Saying, let's just move on, skips the healing. Say instead, I understand that I hurt you. Acknowledgement isn't admitting you're evil. It's admitting they matter. 5. Rebuild with small steps. Don't expect instant hugs and laughter. Start with trust. Start with time. Start with one kind message. One honest conversation. Brick by brick, love is rebuilt. 6. Set new boundaries together. The old version of your relationship broke. This is your chance to build a better one. Talk about what's okay, what's not, and how to avoid past mistakes. 7. Forgive, not just forget. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting the pain. It means choosing peace over punishment. Let go not because they're perfect, but because you deserve inner peace. 8. Remember why you loved them in the first place. Underneath the fights, silence, and distance, there was love. Try to remember that laugh, that moment, that feeling. Let that memory guide your healing. Broken doesn't mean lost forever. Sometimes the deepest cracks let the strongest light in, so what if you reached out today? What if you gave it one more try? Who's that one person you miss? Tag them or send this to them. Because healing begins with one step.